The 2013 Chevrolet Cruze. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 20,000-mile mark. Performance and efficiency are both prioritized thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the six-speed automatic transmission. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by leather upholstery, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, heated seats, and much more. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.